Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am Noreen Khanam. Welcome to another video lecture. We talked about the inclusive education in our previous lesson, and this is also the part of inclusive education, and it is about the models of inclusive education. But before starting off our today's lesson, I want to define some of the terminologies which is written here. Individual differences, diversity, equality and justice. So first we will talk about the individual differences. It is a famous quotation of Jane Goodall. It is said that every individual matter, every individual has a role to play and every individual makes a difference. उर्दू में ऐसे कहेंगे कि हर इंसान मैटर करता है, उसकी कोई इम्पोर्टेंस है, उसका एक रोल है जो उसने प्ले करना है और वो डिफरेंस पैदा करता है, यानी उसकी पर्सनैलिटी दूसरे से डिफरेंट है. तो हर इंसान में अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज़, एवरी इंडिविजुअल बॉर्न विद हिज और हर ओन एबिलिटीज़, अपनी एबिलिटी लेकर हर इंसान पैदा होता है. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस. हर इंसान की नीड्स अलग हैं, हर इंसान का प्रॉब्लम अलग हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स एंड नीड ऑफ एवरी इंडिविजुअल. So these are called the individual differences. When we talk about the diversity means it is also a famous quotation of the diversity that it is the art of thinking individually together. ये एक ऐसा आर्ट है जो आप हर बंदा अलग अलग सोचता है लेकिन इकट्ठे रह के उसने सोचना है. जैसे एक क्लास है, एक क्लास में बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं और वो हर एक की अपनी राय होती है लेकिन वो क्लास का हिस्सा होते हैं. So it is the art of thinking independently together. In every classroom there are different people belonging to different races, belonging to different religion and different colors. So no matters, it is the richness of the class, it is the beauty of the class. And when we talk about the equality and justice, equality means we will provide resources according to the need of the individual. The teacher will provide resources and instruction according to the need of the pupil. अगर हम कहेंगे कि हम हर बंदे को एक मुताबिक एक ही जैसा पढ़ाएं या एक ही जैसे कि इंस्ट्रक्शन दें तो इट विल नॉट अ जस्टिस, ये जस्टिस नहीं होगी, क्योंकि some individual need more attention from the teacher side. Like in every classroom there are very good intellectual student, there are poor student in studies. So उनको उनकी नीड्स को शामिल रखकर, उनको देखकर उनकी नीड्स को टीचर ने देखना है कि हर बच्चे को कैसे असेस किया जाए और उसकी नीड के मुताबिक उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन दी जाए. So this is called the equality and justice. I am going to show you a picture which is on the screen, which will elaborate what is equality and what is justice. Now we will talk about the models of inclusive education. Generally there are 4 models. First one is called individualized education program. Second model is called partial inclusion. Third one is called full inclusion, and fourth one is called mainstreaming. Some schools run individualized education program. In such program, a committee is constituted which comprises officials of the management, parents, teachers, including special education teachers and general education teachers. They make a first of all goal, then plan, and then execute that plan according to the needs of the pupil. पहले वो एक प्लान बनाते हैं, गोल बनाते हैं, गोल के बाद एक प्लान बनाते हैं, प्लान के बाद वो कहते हैं कि हर बच्चे की नीड्स के मुताबिक उसे प्रोवाइड की जाए इंस्ट्रक्शन. Always remember, individualized education program vary from student to student. हर स्टूडेंट का एक अलग प्रोग्राम बनेगा इस सिस्टम के तहत. Number 2 is partial inclusion. It emphasizes allowing special needs student to interact with peers. It doesn't mean the student will remain in special education classes every time. All will remain in general education classes all the time. It means that some of the lesson the student will take from the special education teacher in separate classroom, and some of the lesson the pupil will take from the general education teacher in general classroom. कुछ lessons वो special education teacher से लेगा separate classroom में, और बाकी lessons वो general classroom में लेगा. It will create a positive effect on the mind, because the student will meet with his peer, with socially and academically it has positive impact. Number third is full inclusion. Full inclusion means all the student, regardless of any disability, regardless of any race, color, religion, any diversity, any type of the diversity, they are placed in general classroom and they are taught by the general teachers. This is called the full inclusion. Number fourth one is called the mainstreaming. Mainstreaming means the teacher, first of all, the school enrolls student in the special education courses. स्कूल ऐसे बच्चों को स्पेशल एजुकेशन कोर्स करवाएगा, एंड व्हेन द स्कूल सेटिस्फाई, school and the management or the teachers satisfy with the student performance, जब वो students की performance से satisfy हो जाएगा, then these pupil or students will be allowed to take admission in general classroom, or they will be taught by the general teachers. And this model, the thinkers think that these models is the best because the special education teachers are better equipped to address the learning needs of the student. So these all four types are part of the models of the inclusive education, और ये मुख्तलिफ ममालिक में ये जो मॉडल्स हैं ये चल रहे हैं. इन लाहौर इन पाकिस्तान देयर इज सम स्कूल विच आर प्रोवाइडिंग इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन टू. एंड वन थिंग आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू, इन पब्लिक सेक्टर जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल हैं, somehow public sector are also provided inclusive education, because there are many students with some difficulties in learning, in language difficulties. They are from different part of the provinces, different languages, and they find difficulty to cope in English and Urdu. उन सब को मिक्स करके एक इंक्लूसिव एनवायरनमेंट में टीचर पढ़ा रही होती है, तो पब्लिक सेक्टर स्कूल भी पार्ट हैं इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन के. थैंक यू वेरी मच. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन, एंड इन द नेक्स्ट लेसन वी विल टेक अनदर लेसन, another lecture which will enhance your knowledge. And always be with me, always subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for further notification. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.